How to make a collage on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make a collage on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now collage basically means a single collection of all the photos. Maybe you want to upload such to your Instagram story, because I'm going to take that an example in this case. So I'll open Instagram. I'll just tap on your story. By default, what you can do is you can actually just tap on select option and select multiple one, but they're going to get added separately instead of adding them in a same collage. Now you can actually also choose a layout. If I just come here in this case, here you can see the layout button. When you tap the layout option, you should be able to choose a layout that you want in this case. So you can go ahead and select any type of layout that you want, and this could basically also be one of the collage. But if you want a random position, you want to place one here, another one here, another one here, and so on, for that also I have a solution. Just come over here on this page, just take a photo just like this. Don't do anything, just take a photo. Could be any random photo, or you can choose any photo. Now what we're going to do is we're going to convert this photo into a background color. So first we're going to choose a background color to add all of our collage. For this you can tap the three dots option here and then tap the option called draw. Now what we'll do is just long press on any of the colors that we want at the bottom of the screen. So if I want the background color to be blue, I will long press on this blue color here, and once I long press and select this and then long press on this picture, you can see the color has been changed. Now what I will do is I'll just tap the arrow icon to save it. Now that we've chose our background, how can we add pictures to it? Because as you can see, now there is no option to add a picture. So for this we're going to use stickers. For that, at the very top you can see the sticker icon. Tap on that sticker icon here, and from here you'll find the option of this plus icon, which is the upload media icon. So when you tap on it, Instagram will give you a list of your photos gallery, and then just select a particular photo you like, drag it to the position you want. You can even do like this and then actually change the position. Now you can also change the shape by tapping on it once. So if I tap on it once, it'll get changed to circle, and so on and so forth. Depending on what you want, you can just select it. To add more photos, follow the similar steps by just tapping the sticker icon, tapping the plus icon, selecting another photo here, and then simply adding them like this, depending upon how much ever, no matter how much photos you want to add. And now later on, after you're done, you can add this to your story. And these were the two ways on how you can make a collage on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.